Hello and welcome everyone to another video on Tutor LMS Academy. Today we have a tutorial on all the ways Tutor LMS lets you control enrollments at a modular level. We will talk about manual enrollments, course enrollment tweaks, and even showcase certain courses as coming soon to boost enrollments and drive in more business. So let's dive right into it, folks. First off, we need to make sure that the enrollment add-on is enabled for us. So we'll go to Tutor LMS add-ons and scroll down to find the enrollment add-on and make sure that this is enabled. Once it's enabled, you'll find a new enrollment menu under Tutor LMS. If you click on it, you will see a list of students who are currently enrolled into your courses. This list will include details such as the date of enrollment, the course's name, the student's name, and the enrollment status. So to manually enroll a student, we need to click on this button that says Enroll Students. Once you go into it, you need to select the course for which you want to enroll your students. So let's say we'll select this course. Tutor LMS now also has a new feature to bulk enroll students using a CSV file. So if you upload a CSV here, all the students will get enrolled into the course at once. And to understand what the format of the CSV file should be, you can download a sample CSV and you can see this is how you need to arrange the CSV to make sure that the students get imported into the course properly. So if we go ahead and upload a CSV here, click on import, this will import all the students and enroll them into the course right here. So for paid courses, Tutor LMS takes care of generating an invoice automatically when you manually enroll a student. So after enrollment, the student can access their invoice by going to their student dashboard and checking their order history. And to complete the enrollment, if you've done a manual enrollment, the student needs to pay online. They can do this by clicking the pay button and following the instructions along the way. So now let's check what other enrollment options we can have some fun. So if you go to a course and then if you go to the course builder, you'll see that under the options tab, there are three settings, one of them being enrollment. If you go to the enrollment settings, you can set the maximum number of students and you can also enable this toggle to set a course enrollment period. So we can set a specific date and time for when the course will be launched. And once you add the start time, you can also add an end date. So let's say if we set it for a week, this course will only be available for enrollment during this 1 week. Students will not be able to enroll to the course before the timer starts and after the timer ends. So what this does is you can market your courses to be a limited access only type of course, generating a lot of hype along with running promotional ads that this is an exclusive course only available for enrollment for a short duration. You can also get rid of the end date. You don't have to have the end date. You can just remove that to make the course available for enrollment indefinitely. Now, this is for enrollments into the course, but what if you wanted the entire course to be available after a certain time? You can do that by enabling the toggle here called schedule. So if you enable the toggle, you can then select a date for when this course will be available for purchase. So this is separate from the enrollment period, as if the course is scheduled to be published at a certain date, enrollment cannot begin before that. So let's say we set our enrollment to April 19. Let's say if we choose April 20th, it will give us an error. It says that scheduled date should be before enrollment start date. So obviously the course needs to be live before enrollment is turned on, right? Because if the course is not even live, then students can't enroll at all. So you need to make sure that whatever your date is before your enrollment period. But if we turn off the toggle for the course enrollment period, then the message disappears because it no longer matters anymore. So we get rid of the pause enrollment, we set a course enrollment period, and we'll set the date to be before our enrollment period. Additionally, you can check this tick box to show in the coming soon course list, and you can also add a coming soon thumbnail. So this would be separate from the course feature image, and you can check this box to let students preview the course curriculum. So this will give a bit more information for the students whether they should take the course or not. So with all that, we're done, and now let's take a look at how the scheduled course looks like on the front end with the coming soon banner. So here we are at the front end, and we can see that this course says that it's going to be coming soon at this specific date, and once the course is going to be live, we'll also see when the course enrollment starts, because we've said that as well, right? And once the enrollment starts, you can also go ahead and manually enroll all the students into the course, or you can have students purchase it by themselves one by one. Well, that's it everyone. Thank you all for watching. We hope that this enrollments video was helpful to you all. If you face any issues with any of the steps, be sure to let us know in the comments, and as always, we'll see you all in the next one, everyone.